Hey, this is Albert here with ClickFunnels Support. So let's go ahead and go over this real quick. So you can go to your order page. All right, go to your publishing. We're just going to try this step first, okay? Mine's already set to disabled here, so I'm just going to switch it here. So we'll go to enabled. All right, so you're going to set yours to disabled because that is what your message said you were having issues with, okay? Go and set it, hit update. All right, and then from there, you're going to want to go ahead and move this. All right, and this is just going to allow this to process here. It's just going to rearrange the steps, and in the background, it's going to process that for a minute. All right, just give it a good 20-30 seconds to do that. And then from there, go ahead and come in here and change your page paths. Okay, so go ahead and change that, update it. All right, and change the second page path. And then update that. And, all right. And then once you're done with that, just let that process for a minute. And then go ahead and rearrange this. Go back to where it was. All right, and then go back into the step. All right, and then try to reset this the way you wanted it. Okay, and then update it one more time and then test it. Okay, and then see if that disables it for you. Okay, all right, let me know if that works for you, please. Thanks.